Hey guys, we are at the Buddha statue in Tawang.
The giant Buddha statue is erected on the upper part of the Tawang town, and it is situated at an elevation of 10,000 feet in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. The Buddha, also known as Siddhartha Gautama, was a philosopher and a spiritual teacher who lived in ancient India. He is revered as the founder of the world religion of Buddhism and worshipped by most Buddhist schools as the Enlightened One who has transcended karma and escaped the cycle of birth and rebirth. He taught for around 45 years and built a large following, both monastic and lay. His teaching is based on his insight into dukkha, suffering, and the end of dukkha, the state called Nibbana or Nirvana.